Good morning, friends. This video is about gynecomastia. What is gynecomastia? How is it treated? What are the options? What are the possible side effects? And what you as a patient must know about gynecomastia. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon. I'm a father of two children, two grown-up children, and the husband of a very dedicated and doting wife. My center, Divine Cosmetic Surgery, is located in South Extension and in Gurgaon. Over the next 3 minutes, you will understand so much about gynecomastia. So please watch till the end and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. What is gynecomastia? Gynecomastia. That means female-like breast. It can have fat, it can have gland, and obviously there's going to be more of skin once the chest gets enlarged. In our experience, more than 70% of men already have gynecomastia, but that does not mean all of them need treatment. Some of them are not affected by an enlarged chest, which is fine because gynecomastia is not really a medical problem. Contrary to some thoughts, it never leads on to cancer. So that's not a problem. The treatment for gynecomastia is primarily for aesthetic purposes. So why do people get treatment for gynecomastia? One, inability to wear tight dresses, inability or difficulty to take off dresses in front of a female partner, inability to swim because a person feels shy, children don't do sports or sometimes don't even go to school because other children are teasing them. Then, social relationships, marriage relationships can really suffer because of gynecomastia, and most patients have a very low self-esteem of themselves because of this problem. What is to be done? First, no medical treatment. There is no non-surgical treatment for gynecomastia. The only treatment is a surgical option. The surgery can take anything from 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, depending on the grade of gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is divided into 4 grades. Basic, grade 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the severity of the amount of fat and the amount of gland that is present and the amount of loose skin that is there. So we at Divine have innovated certain procedures for management of loose skin, and our categorization of different grades has been based on our experience. In the last 18 to 20 months, we've done nearly 2,000 gynecomastia surgeries, and we can claim to be the largest single doctor owned center who's doing the largest number of gynecomastia surgeries in India today. So you do not need any investigations really except anesthesia. Very rarely patients may be suffering from liver disorders or brain tumors, and unless these are present, we really don't need major investigations to diagnose a gynecomastia. So like I said, the treatment is primarily surgical, and you should be contacting a plastic surgeon in your city, only a plastic surgeon. So please make sure you check their degrees and are very sure that you're only getting your treatment done by a plastic surgeon. In the recovery period, the patient is always discharged the same evening. They take a rest for 1 or 2 days and then start off their normal activities. They wear a pressure garment for a period of 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how the swelling comes down. And starting, say, about a week or so later, you can actually even start off with exercising and gym and sports, etc. So that's how fast the recovery of gynecomastia is. And in fact, within 3 to 4 weeks, you can actually start to see a good result. What can be the possible problems with gynecomastia? Sometimes, rarely, infection or bleeding does occur. There may be some asymmetry sometimes which can happen. Seroma formation is a reasonably common occurrence, but all these can be easily tackled. And if you're with a well-established, a well-trained plastic surgeon, all these problems just vanish, and the patient has a very, very comfortable and a satisfactory recovery from this problem. So if you're suffering from gynecomastia, if you've been having low self-esteem about yourself, don't get worried. It's not your fault. Gynecomastia is not your fault. It's something that you are born with, and therefore you need to seek proper surgical treatment for it. If your parents are not agreeing, if your spouse is not agreeing, make us speak with them. If you want to get in touch with us, do contact us via email on info@Divine Cosmetic Surgery, or you can send us a WhatsApp or a call on 9811 99 4417. Once again, I'm Dr. Amit, And I and my team at Divine will do everything in our power to make sure we provide you a wonderful experience for the treatment of your medical problem. Thank you so much.